So it has been a while since we last built a gaming PC, and this time we have the new RTX 3080 from ASUS, and we'll be building a gaming PC around the hardware we have in front of me here. So starting with the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 3950X, which we will be pairing it with this, the ASRock B550 Taichi. And cooling our CPU here is the IceFlow 240 from ID Cooling, because it's a Ryzen 9 3950X, it's gonna get pretty warm, so this will probably do a pretty good job for this CPU. For the memory, we will have the latest KLEVV CRAS XR RGB, which is one of their latest RAM, which they announced earlier this month together with the Bolt XR. You can check out for both of the review for Bolt XR and the CRAS XR in the link below. And for the storage, we'll be using this, the XPG SX8200 Pro 1TB, which will be pretty much sufficient for quite a lot of games nowadays. And powering our entire system will be this Cooler Master V1200 Platinum. A bit overpowered, but definitely gonna be more than enough for the 3080 we have here. And all these parts we will be encasing it inside this, the Cooler Master Master Box K501L RGB. So yeah, that's all the components we have for our gaming build video this time. And before we proceed with the build, we have our thanks to KLEVV, yes KLEVV, for sponsoring this episode. What about that card behind there? Oh, you mean the 3090? Okay, we actually have a different content for the 3090 here, so yeah, stay tuned for that. But for this video, we'll be building the PC with the ASUS TUF RTX 3080. So So there you have it. Took us quite a while, a bit longer than expected, but yes, we've done the build here. And personally, even though I'm not really a big fan of RGB lightings myself, as many of you would have known, I think that the build is pretty okay, I would say, because of all the RGB lightings you have here. It's not a lot, but it's still RGB. You can see that the KLEVV CRAS XR RGB is not overly bright like some of the kits we've seen out there, and with other RGB lightings inside of it, it's not overshadowing the rest of the components, but it still stands out on its own, which is pretty unique as of now, because we haven't seen much of any memory kits with RGB lighting that's as unique as this one. So yeah, thumbs up to KLEVV. And of course, if you want to customize the lightings for the memory kit together with whatever software you're using for your motherboard, yes, it's compatible across the major brands like Razer Chroma RGB, ASUS Aura Sync RGB Fusion from Gigabyte, MSI Mystic Light, and of course the one we have here, the ASRock Polychrome. So there's endless possibility for RGB color customization with the parts we have here as well. So that concludes our video for our gaming PC build here today. If you would like to know more about the KLEVV CRAS XR RGB, you can check out the link below in the description. And do let us know what you think about the build, how it looks like, and what you think of it. And that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.